Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the most complex and fascinating object in the known universe, the human brain. We all have one, but how much do we really know about what's going on inside our own heads? Get ready, because we're about to explore 10 mind-blowing facts about your brain that will make you see yourself in a whole new light. Let's start with a big one. Fact number 1. Your brain generates about 23 watts of power when you're awake. That's enough electricity to power a low-wattage LED light bulb. So next time someone has a brilliant idea and you see that imaginary light bulb appear over their head, remember there's some real science to that. This incredible energy output is happening right now, powering your thoughts, your movements, and your very existence. It's a constant buzz of electrical activity that makes everything possible. Fact number 2 is a real shocker for anyone who has ever called themselves left-brained or right-brained. The idea that logical people are left-brained and creative people are right-brained is actually a myth. While it is true that some functions are more dominant in one hemisphere than the other, like language in the left, and emotional processing in the right, we use both sides of our brain almost equally all the time. Your brain is a team player, and both hemispheres work together in a complex, integrated network. So, you're not just a creative or just an analyst, you're a whole-brain thinker. Now, have you ever felt like your memory is a perfect recording of the past? Well, fact number 3 will make you question that. Your memories are not like video files stored on a hard drive. Every time you recall a memory, your brain actually reconstructs it. This process can be influenced by your current emotions, new information, and even the power of suggestion. This is why memories can feel a bit fuzzy or even change slightly over time. It's not a flaw, it's just how our dynamic, ever-changing brains work. Your brain is more of a creative storyteller than a precise archivist. Moving on to fact number 4, let's talk about size. While the human brain is remarkable, it's not the biggest in the animal kingdom. A sperm whale's brain, for example, weighs about 18 pounds, compared to our average of 3 pounds. But here's the kicker: size isn't everything. What really matters is the brain-to-body mass ratio and, more importantly, the complexity of its structure, especially the cerebral cortex. The intricate folds and wrinkles in our cortex are what give us our advanced cognitive abilities, like complex problem-solving and abstract thought. It's the quality of the wiring, not just the size of the box, that counts. Okay, let's get physical with fact number 5. What is your brain actually made of? If you could hold it, you'd find it's surprisingly soft, with a consistency similar to soft tofu or gelatin. And it's incredibly rich in fat. In fact, the human brain is nearly 60% fat. This makes it the fattiest organ in your body. These fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, are crucial for your brain's performance and integrity. They form the cell membranes and are vital for creating and maintaining neural pathways. So, a healthy diet with good fats literally builds a better brain. Here's a number that's almost too big to comprehend. Fact number 6. Your brain contains about 86 billion neurons. That's more than the number of stars in our galaxy, and it gets even crazier. Each of these neurons can form connections with thousands of other neurons, creating a network of trillions of connections, or synapses. This unimaginably vast and complex network is the source of all your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's a universe of activity happening inside your skull every single second. Now for fact number 7. Something you're doing right now without even thinking about it. Your brain processes information at incredible speeds. Information can travel through different types of neurons at speeds ranging from 1 mile per hour to a staggering 268 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula 1 race car. This high-speed communication allows you to do things like catch a ball, react to a sudden noise, or pull your hand away from a hot surface in a fraction of a second. It's your body's own super-fast internet connection. Ever wonder why you can't tickle yourself? Fact number 8 has the answer. Your cerebellum, a part of your brain at the back of your head, is responsible for predicting the sensory consequences of your own movements. Because your brain knows you're about to tickle yourself, it cancels out the sensation of surprise that is essential for the tickle response. It essentially tells the rest of your brain, don't worry, it's just us. But when someone else does it, the sensation is unpredictable, triggering that classic laughter-inducing reaction. Let's talk about multitasking. Fact number 9. The human brain can't actually multitask. I know. You think you're a great multitasker, but what you're really doing is something called task switching. Your brain is rapidly switching its focus from one thing to another. This switching comes at a cost. It reduces your efficiency, increases the time it takes to complete tasks, and makes you more prone to errors. So, the next time you have something important to do, give it your full, undivided attention. Your brain will thank you for it. Finally, we arrive at fact number 10, a truly hopeful and empowering one. Your brain is not fixed. It's constantly changing. This ability is called neuroplasticity. Throughout your entire life, your brain has the amazing capacity to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Every time you learn a new skill, form a new memory, or have a new experience, you are physically changing the structure of your brain. This means you have the power to learn, grow, and adapt at any age. You can teach an old dog new tricks, and you can certainly teach your brain new things, no matter how old you are. So there you have it, 10 incredible facts that show just how amazing the human brain is. From generating its own electricity to constantly rewiring itself, the 3-pound universe in your head is a source of endless wonder. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this journey into the mind, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious.